mSpy is the most popular phone spy software on the market. It was originally designed for parents, who want to monitor their children's activity. It is also used for people who want to spy their partners, spouses, husbands, employees. You can spy Android, iOS smartphones, and there is also a version for simple phones. As soon as mSpy starts working, it will record every data about that person. You can view and listen all incoming and outgoing calls. Read all the text messages. Read all their emails. Check the websites they visited. See in the map where the person is, in real time. Spy their Facebook Messenger. Spy their WhatsApp. Check all the photos and videos taken. And much, much more. Do you want to know the truth? Click the link below, and prepare to be amazed.